Welcome to Landlord Vision's training tutorials with me, Emmeline Jarvis. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up HMOs in Landlord Vision. If you have more than one portfolio, first check that you are working on the right one. If you only have the one portfolio, you can get started straight away. HMOs are added in the same way as regular properties to start with, by either using the Quick Add button or by visiting the Properties area and clicking into the Units section. Again, enter all of the details that you would for a regular property, but this time expand the Units area. Use the reference field to name this unit and choose what kind of unit it is. You can even give it a tag to make it easier to find using the search filters dotted throughout Landlord Vision. Repeat this step for each unit that this property is broken up into. Once you are happy with the information that you've entered, click on Save. Our new HMO property is now showing in the Properties area. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial.